God works in mysterious way. Hi, good morning. Charles here. It's Thursday and I hope you had a good start of the day. So, share ko lang, God works in mysterious way. Yung experience ko kanina sa work. So, um, as I've shared before, I work in a sales environment. So, meron akong customer na kinausap ko. Nag-discuss kami about dun sa service na ina-offer namin, ano yung pwede namin magawa, and sa sobrang gigil ko kasi it's almost end of month and syempre may quota kami, so kailangan ma-hit yung quota and gusto ko talaga ma-close yung quota na yun. Talagang give in ako, bigay na bigay ako ng best ko to close it. And ayun, dahil sa kakapilit ko, or parang hindi pa siya talaga decided so parang pinipili ko talaga na mag-start na make a payment na to activate the account. Ayun, so wala talaga, hindi ko siya napilit. So ayun, so I feel like super frustrated ako kanina ng mga time na yun. So sabi ko hindi ako pwede mag-continue mag next call kasi baka masira yung next call ko ba, yung mood ko andun pa rin, yung parang sobrang gigil na gigil. So sabi ko I'll have to take a break muna, and ayun, nag-relax muna ako, break ako, kain akong tinapay, nood ng mga happy videos, and ayun, nahimasmasan naman kahit papano. And at ito na, the good part is pagbalik ko after nung break ko, wala, ayun, nagbayad si customer. So, 'di ba, parang akala mong ano talaga, wala to, hindi ito mapupush. Pero God works really in mysterious way. Kasi parang wala na, nag-give up na ako dun Sabi ko, wala to, tatanong lang to, hindi ito magbabayad. Pero ayun, nabayad siya, 'di ba? So, I guess yung gusto ko lang naman i-point out is you just have to do your best and God will do the rest, 'di ba? So ayun lang, gusto ko lang i-share, and I hope whatever you're doing right now, just do your best and God will do the rest. Yun lang, annyeong, God bless, mama, ingat-ingat, bye.